if you guys have any questions, like while doing this process, please hit me up. Feel free. Ask any questions. I'm willing to help for sure. So just wanted to put that out there. I mean, like I said, there's other people who've done it before me, but you know, I don't mind like just sharing my experience on how I'm doing it. Like I said, I'm no expert, but I like to give you know, any info that's gonna help somebody else trying to build this on their own. Please feel free to hit me up. What's up, homies? Back at it again. Today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. While I was filming this, just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be working on today. So let me go ahead and turn this around and show you guys. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm trying to work fast on this side now. I'm going to go ahead and start trimming it up a little bit more just to have it, you know, clean. Cutting off this seat rail. Again, taking off the spot welds on the sides from the trans tunnel and the rocker. We're almost there. You know, the framing should be pretty quick. Once the framing is done, and then we can start working on the sheet metal, which I'm excited about. update on how it's looking right now. You guys probably been seeing me working throughout the time lapse and stuff like that, but just kind of wanted to chat with y'all. Pretty much the same thing that I showed in the other video of what I did on the other side, except I feel a little bit more comfortable doing it. I was able to go ahead and kind of knock it out quicker. So let me just show you guys. You can see all the metal that I was cutting underneath. So same thing, like I said, just trimming out, making it a little bit cleaner around the edges. I cut out the rail, as you can see on the bottom. And then here, as you can see, it's empty. Remove the spot welds on both sides. Just wanted to show you where I'm at with it now. And pretty much I'm ready to start welding the frame in, the first part at least. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it's looking like. All right, so the frame rail's in. Before I'm literally about to weld, I'm just gonna go ahead and just check it with the leveler, make sure everything's good. And then that's it, that's done. Then I gotta do the seat rail part. All right, got that welded. Welds are starting to come out a little bit better. Still can use a lot more practice. It's easier from what my experience is so far with like thicker metal. Welding it has been a lot easier. When it comes to like mismatching with thin metal and thick metal, that's where it needs to practice. So there it is. Obviously you guys are seeing that side, but now you see this side. Check that out. So happy to finally see that. I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.